Hey, Zachary here from Zachary 3D Prints. To the question, Zach, what do you do with the printers that you are not using that much anymore? Well, I can, leave them as they are and let them collect dust. But that is a waste of a 3D printer. And since this is a pretty new 3D printer that I got last year, I'm going to give those randomly away during live streams. Not that there is a wheel of names or that it is a random pick. No, it's basically based upon where the person is living, because I cannot drive all the way to the US because cars are not meant to, drive over water. So the Creality Ender3 V3 KE is going to be given away to a regular that is, on the live stream, hanging out in the chat, being an amazing person. So I drove all the way to the north of the Netherlands, not like Friesland or Groningen, North Holland. It took me like 2.5 hour drive to get there. So yeah, sometimes people come by to my studio to pick it up, but once in a while there is this occasion that I drive all the way to the person to deliver it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not really sure if he is in for it or not to be on camera. If you see the footage, then you know. If you don't see it, then you also know. How cool is that? Zach in a nutshell, driving to a potential new owner of the Creality Ender3 V3 KE. So let's drive the last couple of kilometers and then let's see what is going to happen. And his name is Tunkai. Here's Tunkai, the I don't want to say lucky winner of the printer because it wasn't official a giveaway live stream, but it's one of the printers that I gave to him because he wanted one, right?
Yes, I do.
So tell me a little bit about your 3D printing story.
I started out in 2021, I guess. And my first printer, it was a Creality Ender3 V3. And from there on, I just bought a few other printers and I just went tinkering on with it. And I've been enjoying it since then, actually.
Cool. And now you have another new 3D printer.
Yeah.
And just as a little reminder, we have a Creality Ender3 Pro.
Yeah.
You have a Creality Ender3 V2, which I also had and also gave away to somebody in Maastricht. And now he has the V3. I think that makes total sense.
Yeah, for sure. It makes the collection a little bit more complete.
More complete.
Yeah.
It's amazing. So, hey, thank you for being an amazing person during live streams. And I would say have a lot of fun with the Creality Ender3 V3 KE Clipper Edition.
Yeah.
Even better.
Thank you for the printer, Zach.
Thank Creality because Creality gave it to me. And now I'm giving to somebody who has a nice purpose for this 3D printer. Well, let's say like this. It's not going to happen every single live stream that I will give one of my 3D printers away. Sometimes it happens that I bought it with my own money and I will give them to random viewers. In some cases, like this one, it's a review 3D printer that I didn't pay any money for it. So I will also not ask any money for it. I even drive to the person who wants the printer. So pay attention. If you are in a street and I have this random crazy idea, within a range, I can bring the printer to you if I want to give one away. It's not a giveaway live stream. It's not that somebody has to enter to win the printer. It happens randomly. So, Tunkai, have a lot of fun with the KE 3D printer. and make the amazing things.
Thank you.